A full list of VBACE exhibiting companies can be found by clicking the book icon in the upper right-hand corner. You can also use the search bar to find exhibitors by name or by using keywords like aircraft, avionics, safety, or maintenance. To visit exhibit booths, click on the Expo Halls tile located on the home page or directly on the main navigation ribbon. Here, you'll see exhibit booths organized into 22 Expo Halls, sorted by business categories and functions. To see the full listing of exhibitors within a specific Expo Hall, you can either click View All or Load More, and the next 5 exhibitors will display. To view a booth, click on the company of your choice. A preview slider will appear. From here, you can read a short description, add the booth to your virtual backpack, or click the arrow icon to go inside of the booth. Once you're inside a booth, you can tour different areas by clicking the pin drop icon in the center of your screen, or by using the navigation arrows. Each booth area includes interactive content such as on-demand videos, live webinars, product downloads, and links to additional resources. Every banner or screen is interactive. Make sure you click around so you don't miss a thing. To uncover even more booth features, use the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner. Trying to get in touch with an exhibitor? Click Contacts to find company representatives, request an email or phone call, leave a question, and download business cards. If you're looking for an immediate response, you can click Chat to message everyone currently in the booth. Keep in mind, this chat includes other attendees within the booth as well. You can also click on Social Media and Visit Site for additional ways to learn more and get in touch with each exhibitor. Click on Products or Downloads to view additional downloadable content and resources. You can add these resources directly to your virtual backpack and reference them anytime, anywhere. Some booths may also offer attendee giveaways. To enter a giveaway, fill out the required contact information and the exhibitor will reach out with more information. Want to see an entire list of exhibitor giveaways? Head to the home page and click on the Giveaways tile or directly on the main navigation ribbon. Additionally, some exhibitors may have in-booth forums. Here, you'll find a list of conversational topics set by the exhibitor. We invite you to join the conversation by either posting your own comment or question or replying to someone else's comment or question. You can also add the forum to your virtual backpack so it's easy to check back in on the conversation at a later time. To visit the next exhibit booth, click on the X icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Go Back. This will return you to the Expo Halls.